Oh, let's see how heavy it is. Pretty light if you ask me. Let's get unboxing. Anyways, yeah, I could. But anyways, we just have to. Oh, that was so close.
You didn't open it during the unboxing.
Okay, bags. I told you.
Oh,
I told you.
I guess you're right. It actually was another laptop.
Uh-oh. Okay, move that.
How come yours was showing Prime? What's that noise?
I have no idea, but we're just gonna ignore it.
I don't know what color it is.
Same, bro, same.
Is it a hard to cut?
Yes, it is. This is.
Wow.
How did I
Are you
say?
bad at unboxing?
I am not bad at unboxing, bro.
Sure
You can't
you
be
are.
talking. Oh, this one it's grayish. Ooh, that is tight.
Oh, I guess mine's gray.
Ooh. Oh my, this is a nice touch. Oh yeah, this is good. The new computer smell. The new computer smell, bro.
Let me see. It smells the same as every other computer I've
Oh wow. Anyways, it probably won't turn on because we need to charge it, but okay.
Well, duh.
Let's try.
It's
Yeah.
not gonna turn
Most
on.
definitely not turning on. So we're gonna charge it first.
Where's the charger? Are you trying to smash it now?
Well, anyways, it's a nice smooth computer.
Yeah,
And the smell, bruh, they're literally identical. You can't be talking, bro. You can't be talking. So we find the charging spot where it's right here, and then we plug it in. Charge the switch. Let's see, is it charging?
Yeah, picture in a red light.
Okay, it's charging. So anyways, that is all for today. So we'll see you next in our next unboxing video. So peace out for now.
When next that's gonna be.
I know, right? But pretty soon, I guess. So peace out for now, guys.
Bye.
Bye.